So it's Mana with Monave, and today I'm going to be showing off some of our concealers because I'm breaking out a little right here and here, and I just want to cover those up real quick before I'm getting on with the rest of my day. Today I'm going to be demoing our three different types of concealers. We have a concealer crayon that I'm going to be using in Claire. You can use that by just dabbing around with your finger. I prefer a beauty blender, but in this example I'm using my finger. And then topping that with our foundation because it will completely cover everything that's there. Next, I'm going to be showing off our cream concealers that are a lot heavier than our liquid mattes or moisture mousse. These guys are not vegan, but they do cover really great. They go on really thick. You can kind of pad them out with a beauty blender or with your finger, and then again layering it with foundation. So I'm using Claire in our concealer cream and our loose mineral foundation, just dabbing that all over our forehead. My go-to for under eye concealer is our concealer crayon because it just covers so well and it blends so well. So you can see how easily that just glides all over the eye and spreads. It completely covers up any dark circles that you have. Next up is our pressed cream to powder. This one is in Caroline, but I will be showing applying it with Claire. You can put it by rubbing your finger around in the pot. Or what I like to do is scrape a little bit out with the tip of my nail and spread it all over your face. For both the concealer crayon and for the C2P, it's best to layer over this with some foundation. So I'm doing, again, loose mineral foundation in Claire all over my face to just make it an even coating. All of our concealers are great primers for everything, so they are great under eye primers for putting foundation on to make sure your dark circles don't show. They're great primers for bronzers, blushes, and everything else. They stick and they don't move. I don't want to leave you guys empty-handed. I am putting a little 14 hydrangea on my eyes, some vegan mascara, and then a little bit of 70 gold salmon lip glaze, which is vegan and has a strawberry flavoring to it, just so I can have a everyday summer day look. Hopefully this demo has helped you understand our three different concealers so that you can use them in your everyday looks.